I just replaced my battery and the generator will run on manual with no problem, but my display screen is blank and blinking. I have a 10 kW Generac standby generator.
Do you know the model of your Generac generator? How old is it?
Model number 00600511.
How long has this been going on with your Generac generator? What have you tried so far?
The unit is 8 years old.
Is there anything else the engine expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
The red light and yellow lights are on.
Hello, my name is. I would like to assist you with this. What you need to do is to try and do a hard reset of the controller. Set the switch to off. Remove the 7.5 fuse from the controller. Remove the cover from around the controller. Remove the controller, and unplug all connections to it. Wait about 5 minutes, and plug everything back up. Reinstall the fuse. If the display is still blank, the controller is burnt and will need to be replaced.
Thank you, Hank. I will give it a try tomorrow. The display screen lights up and blinks but is blank.
The screen is an integral part of the controller. It is not separately replaceable. That is why the controller will need to be replaced if the screen does not come back on after a hard reset.
Sounds good, thank you very much. Have a good night.
You too.
Hank, I just want to say thank you very much. My generator is up and running. You are the man. Have a great weekend.
Good deal. I'm glad I was able to help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.